Oh dear, picked up another car this morning, a little SUV, so we use that to boost our other shit. We're gonna move around, it'll be awesome.
Somebody got my account info from my bank account, apparently. Tried emptying it. What? Yeah. Oh, it's just on the film. Close bag. Yeah. That's all I came out here. I received a notification my password got changed. Like, okay, that's not me, clearly. So, right away. Called Scotia, and like 5 minutes into being on hold, $1,100 came out of my account. Like, yeah, that's not good. What they said they canceled the e-transfer, the money's in my account again. So, yeah. So I gotta go get a new debit card again. Yeah, definitely not using the same password, but god damn it. Good password, like how'd you crack it?
Twice in one day I lost it, so that's not good. Well, I used to wear it on my chest, so I'd have it with me all the time, and now I set it down places and it's just gone.
10 seconds.
Yeah,
Where it is?
just totally gone. I thought I left it on the back of the truck and then drove off. That'd be awesome. That's exactly what I need to have happen. Give this a little boost of peony there, have a snap, and then come out and it'll just fire right up like 3 biscuits. It'll be awesome. Oh, and now a quick word from our sponsor for today's video. Freaking Nilight sent these bastards for the rear bumper. Stab them on. We got these ones for the front. Just working my way through the sub chassis here with the wiring, but I'll just stab that on there and lickety splits. I was going to put them on the Grumman, but the way the brackets are, just not going to compute, so I'm going to go a different route on the Grumman. We'll put those ones in the back there, and we'll put these ones in the front, and it'll be more awesome. Just had to do my customary spray painting of the brand new shit. So I have these chromoly friggin' mounts on there, and I like that kind of spray paint in black. More better, but well, we're gonna have to find out some new brackets, because they're same deal. They're putting them on the Grumman, they're just not going to be aiming in the right direction here. So whatever, we got them on there. We'll have to. It's already dark too, so it gets dark at like 4:30 now, so that's cool. We'll have to pull them out and test them out. Got the custom sprayed rear ones on there. Decent peony, back up next cigarettes. Fire this door open and holler out.
Oh, we chase each other? Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Even aiming at the ground, we're friggin' pretty bright. Link will be in the prescription. Show us some support for the dicks keeping the lights on this week, boys. Oh, quite the week in Inwood. Friggin' bank frauds, friggin' tip of word cut, the Wuhan, friggin' bat suckle. I don't even remember suckling on a bat myself, but yeah, sicker as frig. Tip of word's really rough. I was rough there for a couple days. This is day 3 for me. Got some food into me today. It's starting to not feel too terrible, but holy shit. Yeah, not good. Finally got me, boys. Them sons of bitches. Eh? Oh, but big thanks to friggin' Nilight there. Check out the link in the prescription. Probably get all type of the percents off. But anyways, boys, I go. Okay, I go.